Hello everyone, today isn't just a watch review, it's a victory celebration. You are looking at a man who just got the deal of the year during the 11/11 Singles Day sale. This Seiko Prospex usually retails for about 1,300, but thanks to the 11/11 sales god, I managed to snag it for just $800. That's a massive $500 saving. Panda, do you know how many treats can we buy with $500? I think he approves of the financial decision. So let's see what an $800 bargain looks like. We are unboxing the Seiko Prospex PADI Sumo Pepsi edition. Inside the box we have the usual suspects, the warranty card and a couple of booklets with operating instructions. But let's get to the star of the show. Okay, first impression now that I'm seeing it in the metal. There is a reason they call this watch the Sumo. It does appear visually bigger than expected. It has a serious, heavy-duty wrist presence. Let's look at the specs for this Sumo. Being a PADI special edition, it sports the iconic red and blue Pepsi bezel. The case is a substantial 45mm, but it wears comfortably thanks to those curved lugs. On the back, you got the special edition engraving and the screw-down case back, ensuring 200 meters of water resistance. Inside beats the upgraded Seiko 6R35 automatic movement, which gives us a massive 70 hours power reserve. Now the big comparison. How does the Sumo stack up against my Seiko King Turtle? Visually, the bezel on the Pepsi Sumo appeared slightly wider to me. That gives that instant impression that it is bigger than the King Turtle, even though they are similar in spec. Another big difference is the glass. The King Turtle has that Cyclops magnifier and a slight hum. The Sumo, clean flat sapphire crystal. Also notice the dial, the Sumo is date only. No day of the week here. This gives a much cleaner, more symmetrical look. Next up, let's bring out the veteran, my old Omega Seamaster. This is a completely different beast. The Seamaster is much thinner in thickness. It slides under a cuff easily, whereas the Sumo sits tall and proud on the wrist. But how about performance? I've been tracking them for a few days. The result? The Omega Seamaster still holds the crown for the most accurate time. However, it was followed very closely by this new Pepsi Sumo. The King Turtle came in third. Great performance from the new guy. Usually, I might try to resize a bracelet myself, but Seiko's pin and collar system on these divers can be tricky. This time, I decided not to risk scratching the new Sumo. I went back to my old watch repair shop to have it right-sized. It was not easy. Even watching him, I could tell it was fiddly. But because they are pros, they did it so effortlessly.
pattern also.
So, the bracelet is sized, the time is set, and Panda is happy with the $500 savings. We are ready for some adventures with this Seiko Sumo. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this review and want to see more of me and Panda, please like and subscribe to the channel. See you in the next one. Bye.